You don't believe in God, universe, higher powers, and you don't trust any of them, not manifestation, not destiny, then just trust yourself. My name is Pooja Vishakarma and welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna tell you something which I have learned in a very simplest way. So, okay, when we are in manifestation, when we are actually manifesting something, when we are healing, when we are learning our patterns and our body is still in survival phase, our nervous system is still in that trust issues phase, then when people say that trust the universe, trust the process, trust that, when we can see literally no physical things, like no physical growth, that time our body, our brain is like, who do I trust? How do I trust? I can't see anything happening in my life right now. I'm not getting money, I'm not getting growth, I'm not getting fame, I'm not getting anything what I wanted. Then who will I trust? How can I trust? That time most of the people give up. Most of the people give up that time when they cannot see anything, and basically that time things get worse and worse and worse. Like, you came so far to give up, but still you can't see anything, so you're just having one thought to give up, give up, give up, that's it. But that moment you need to understand one thing, that when you cannot see anything, everything is darker, that time you will need the most trust. You will trust in yourself and will get out of that situation, of that dark room, or you will be afraid and stuck there and not even willing to walk because you're so afraid to even move. Do you understand? When things will be the darkest, you will need the most trust, and that point proves that whether you deserve what you're asking for or not. In every successful person's life, that lesson comes, that moment comes when they cannot see anything. That moment, your faith get tested. Not in God, not in universe. Okay, they come second. Your faith get tested about you. Do you believe in the love you have? Do you believe in the talent you have? Do you believe in the trust you have? Do you believe in the strength you have? You have every single thing in you. Whatever I mention, you have everything, every single thing in you. If you wouldn't be able to ha- handle those situations, or actually get your dream life, you wouldn't have dreaming. So in that moment, you just have to believe in yourself. You just have to understand. You just have to trust yourself that you can do it. You can do whatever you're believing in. And in the darkest phase, when nothing seems going right, everything is going right behind the scenes. And if that moment you didn't stop and you kept going, trust me, bro, you're not far. That time, if you cannot, you should trust the universe, you should trust God, you should trust the timing of your life, you should trust the process, you should trust yourself, your inner child, your past self. But the most trust you need in the love you are giving, the hard work you're giving, the efforts you're giving, the knowledge you're giving. Because if you cannot see anything happening physical, you can see what you are doing. And that moment, you need to understand that you are capable of getting everything. If you can't trust anything else, trust yourself and keep going, because that is the moment where the breakthrough happens. Like, you are literally on the door of achieving your dreams. So just trust that your hard work means something, your struggle means something, your efforts mean something. Your hard work will pay off, or your love can change the world. Your healing can change the world. Your that knowledge can actually make an impact. Your that talent can actually make an impact. At least trust in your abilities, bro. You will get it. You will get it. Full stop. There is no if but questions. It's just a matter of you being ready. And the moment you will start trusting yourself, the moment you will start trust in your efforts. The moment you will start trusting in the universe, things will unfold. Trust me. If this video give you even slightly of yeah, I'm saying right. Then like, share, subscribe. Meet you in the next video. I am also in the struggling phase as you, and I trust myself. And I'm telling you to trust you. Please comment whatever you're feeling, right, wrong, disappointment, happy, through your life, whatever. Just let's connect. Meet you in the next video. Radhe, Radhe.